Hello and welcome back. Here's the update on the RV. So as you know, we had the injection pump replaced at a dealer, or not even dealer, a repair shop in Kansas. I personally think they screwed me. So anyway, the story goes, we died on the side of the road just driving along, and I personally think we lost power to the injection pump. However, what makes me believe this is I parked it after a long drive. She wouldn't start. All it did is crank. Watch my previous video on this. And what I ended up finding out after lots of messing around, we sent the computer in, got it tested. Arkansas Valley in Colorado, diesel service. They tested it. It came back okay. We checked some other things. Like I said, you can see in my other video, I put a bypass on for the injection pump. The engine started right up. But then once I found there was a bad wire, what I figured out is that the injection pump, now I had a guy come and he said, oh, we have to change the lift pump. So I still wasn't getting fuel from the lift pump. It could not pull 38 feet from the front of the RV. So I bought a tiny little pump, just a cheap 12-volt pump from Amazon. I put that in line. It sucked fuel up, and bam, she started right up from the tank. So even though he said he replaced my lift pump, I don't even know if I believe he replaced the lift pump or if just that lift pump is that junky, the factory one. So I'm looking at, I think it's considered a fast 150. I don't know a lot about it. I'm going to be calling Thoroughbred Diesel and check out what they have, get a hold of them and figure that out, and I'll put it in. But as of now, she turns over, runs, and I just took it to the gas station and back. So there she is, running nice. The other thing that I'm not liking so much is, again, I don't know if it's the fuel pump or what it is, or just some air maybe, but idling just at the end of my ride, I went over there and back, it did a couple weird like rev ups, just really quick. So I don't know if that was just some air in the system or what, because we did have it apart in a lot of spots. I thought I bled it through good, but like I said, she's running pretty decently. I still am thinking I'm not going to trust the lift pump, and I'm going to get myself that new lift pump from Thoroughbred Diesel. Thanks for watching.